What I wish I knew about today's political events in Zimbabwe will leave you stunned. Keep watching. This afternoon, an Air Force helicopter carrying VIPs, including Vice President Chiwenga and Kembo Mohadi, crashed shortly after takeoff from Masvingo Airport. Fresh from an event organized by the ZANU-PF Youth League, the chopper was climbing the skies when disaster struck. It plummeted back to the ground, sending shockwaves across the airfield and leaving onlookers in stunned silence. Contrary to early reports, President Emmerson Mnangagwa was not on board. Thankfully, there were no fatalities, although one crew member sustained injuries. This marks the second technical malfunction involving a presidential helicopter in just 3 years. While the cause of the crash remains unclear, investigations are underway. Authorities are racing to assess the damage and ensure the safety of those involved. As of now, President Mnangagwa's media team has yet to release an official statement. Stay tuned for updates as we continue to follow this developing story. And remember, in times of crisis, accurate information is crucial.